If you can hang a picture, you can hang your wood or faux wood blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All wood and faux wood blinds have the same basic parts: the blind, valance, wand, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an outside mount faux wood blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. We're going to be hanging the blinds as an outside mount, so the brackets will be attached to the wall above the window. Depending on the width of your blind, it may come with additional brackets for center support. These should be spaced evenly between your outer brackets. From the top left corner of the window, measure upward and mark somewhere between 2 to 4 inches with your pencil. Repeat this at the top right corner. We've chosen to mark 2 inches above the corners of the window. Subtract the width of your window from the width of your shade. Our blind is 38 inches wide and our window is 36 inches wide. Since our blind is 2 inches wider than our window, we need to mark 1 inch out from our previous marks. Take your left side bracket and center the top edge along your mark. Use your pencil to mark through the back of the bracket for each screw. Repeat this on the right side of the window with the right side bracket. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Line the brackets up with the holes and drill in the screws. Slide the headrail into the brackets like this and then close the hinged front pieces. To attach the wand, first push the hook sleeve up toward the headrail. Hook the wand onto the exposed loop and then slide the hook sleeve back down and over the connection. This keeps the wand connected and secure. The next step is to attach the valance. Insert the short end of each valance clip into the back slots of the valance. Then slide the correct return onto each end. Since the valance for this product is magnetic, all you have to do is position it where you want it against the headrail and let the magnets do their job. Just make sure you don't place the valance too low on the headrail so that it doesn't interfere with using the wand. And that's it! Operate the lift and tilt functions to make sure everything works properly. If you need to remove your blinds, raise your blinds fully. Remove the valance and the wand, open the hinges on the brackets, and then slide the headrail away from the wall. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new wood or faux wood blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.